want to turn it off, just click that same button again and it'll go off. Next one across is cruise control, which is different to just setting a prop speed. This will keep you at a specific speed, not just a prop speed. So if your tire's running and then it slows down, it'll keep that same prop speed. So turn it off, just click it again, no worries. You can see the prop's still going here, we'll just turn the prop off. Down here you've got your record for your recording of your iTracks and all that sort of jazz, which is handy if you just want to have a defined track. Just click that to get out of there. Next one across is high speed bypass, so this will automatically put your motor into full speed or rabbit mode. So moving down, you've got go to spot lock button. Obviously there's no spot locks in range here, but if you did have a spot lock, it'd go to it. Next one across is very similar, the iTracks. We've got none in range, but if you did, it would go to it. Next one here is mark waypoint. So it'll drop a waypoint down, and if we go to the next option here, it'll have a list of your waypoints, and you can organize them in time, distance, name, anything like that in this menu here. So if we go back, you'll see a couple of waypoints here. It's kind of like a sounder in this regard, except that when you click on it, your motor will just take you there. So here you can see we're 2.73 meters away, and it'll just navigate us there, and either spot lock or autopilot, depending on what settings you want to put on in the arrival there. Going into the it. This here is your anchor button for the pinpoint GPS. It will keep you on the spot. This button here will turn the remote back into manual mode, so it will delete any modes, the heading lock, the cruise control, the spot lock, all that, return it to manual mode. At the bottom of the remote you will see 8 numbered keys that will store both recorded routes and anchor points, and then you've also got your record button and then your play button. So record to record your routes, play to replay them when you need to. And that's the nuts and bolts. Alright, so the Minn Kota pedal is a corded pedal, and basically we've got left, we've got right, we've got need to press the anchor button to turn it on. 1 beep for on, 2 beeps for off. And that also doubles as your pinpoint GPS as well, so that'll stay in the spot, keep you on the spot. On this side, you got the constant power, so you hit that, motor will go, you hit it again, motor will stop. Here you have your dial for your speed, 1 through 10, obviously 10 being the highest. And this button right up on top here is your temporary engage, so you'll hit that, give it a small burst of power, and then when you release it, the motor will stop. So heel down, toe down, we'll turn it left and right, so that'll keep your hands nice and free when you're trying to land a fish. If you flip it over, you can see your hatch here for the 2 AA's and some brief In terms of stowing and deploying, seems to be easy. I've used this motor for a year now. The lift assist